Hello everyone and welcome back to the Cargo channel and welcome to an exciting episode. Today will be my first car show for the season. Car meet. I'm very excited that I'm gonna see my friends again and a few super rare AMG pre-merger cars that I'm really excited about. Also, it's a sad day. It's gonna be my last car meet in New York because me and my wife we're relocating to LA right after the meet or tomorrow. I'm gonna document the trip from New York to LA for you guys, but well, I'm not gonna lie, I'm excited for both these occasions. I'm not saying we're late, but we're not early either, so I gotta go. Yes, the car is filthy, but hey, I didn't have time to wash it, so I'll see you right at the meet. So while we're in the car real quick, I just wanted to talk a little bit more about the move. I sent the CL 3 days ago with an auto transport. I'm gonna be making a video on how to ship your car from one coast to the other. Then that's gonna come after we arrive there, after we settle, and after I see what the costs and everything are. But yesterday movers came and took all our stuff, so my apartment is super empty, and that's why I overslept a bit today and I couldn't get the car washed and stuff, and that's why I'm in the E-Class. But look at that, it's also full of boxes because we're taking some of them with us so we can lower the cost of the movers. All right, time to stop with this moving stuff and get into the cars, right? All right, we're already in the car meet. I have no idea whether you can hear me or not because there are a lot of people here. We're gonna go around and see all the Benzes first, and then we're gonna go around and see all the other cars. There is a 500e, there is a 190 EVO II, there is a CL60 that is super rare. So let's go and take a look. I'm gonna start with this CLK55 that is parked right next to my car. Then we're gonna go this way to see the OG Benz, the one that is built by Porsche and Mercedes, the 500e. Look at these fender flares, this is beautiful. And then we have Fila's W140 parked next to the CL60. This super limited edition car was, I have no idea how many of them were built, but very few. Look at the black on the hood, pillarless light. There it is, the badge, CL60 AMG. Super rare car. Fila showing off his curtains. Again, the 500e. I am in love with these cars. I've always wanted one. Maybe in the future, but their prices are skyrocketing. Let's go and take a look at Rob's 190. Rob's 190e, beautiful white on blue leather. This car is amazing. The condition he got it in and the condition it is now are a little bit different, but he put his effort in it, and now it's gonna be for sale. If you guys want to hit him up, Flick Herbage on an S320. Here's the EVO II with the engine open. I love these wheels. And look at this bench. Look at the spoiler in this thing. The Evolution 2 came originally with this and the body kit, and it's just a really cool car. Another one of the ones I really want. Here is Brabus SL73, another ultra rare Mercedes. Look at the white gauges.
I got it at a very good price. In fact, when I bought it, it was a German guy.
And on top of that, it's slammed to the ground. What an amazing lineup of Benzes. But then now we're gonna go and take a look at all the other cars around, because there are a lot of cool cars. All right, here we are, the Z28 Camaro. We have an R33 GT GTR 5.0 Mustang.
Right over here. Yeah.
CTSV.
I wonder if, NJMP is not open. I'll do it. Thank you.
Cool F250 Ford. We have some Porsches, Beamers, Volkswagens. More Volkswagens. That's some Supra. Few of the little Miatas. Look at this little thingy. Hot rods. There's some more of them coming in. This is nice. Fox body. It's a hot BMW wagon. Slam. Look at the R32. No hood, no grill. I almost missed this cute S2000. I love the S2000. Look at the splitter on this thing. Little canners. It's a gorgeous car. Beautiful color too. And the wheels match perfectly. Look at the color on this 720S. Competition. Volchok. Finally, look who decided to show up. Come on up, back it up. Finally, Sandro decided to show up. Don't worry if you hit that other car, I know the guy.
Yeah, it's only an S500.
what an amazing car meet. I love all those old and special and unique and rare Benzes. And I like my Benz right here because it's gonna get me to LA very, very soon. But you guys like today's video, like the car meet, you excited about me moving to LA, hit the thumbs up and subscribe for a lot more videos to come. Next video should be our trip to LA, so hey, who's not excited for a cross-country trip? You know, stay tuned. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!